I did my first drone crash. Good day. Today is Sunday and my goal was to go to take a run outside, but yeah, the weather is not so good here in Sweden right now. But this is not why I'm making this video. It is because I want to tell you that I did my first drone crash this week. We were filming a video for my friend, and it was very windy this day, and I was a little bit insecure if the drone could make it or not. But yeah, we try anyway, and I decided to drive the drone pretty low and close to a fence, and suddenly the wind took the drone and crashed it to the fence. Nothing happened to the drone, so I'm very lucky. But yeah, I did my first drone crash. I learned a lesson. Don't be so close to a fence, and maybe not drive the drone when it's so windy, because I got actually an alert from the drone that it was very windy. So that's a lesson I will take. So, but yeah, like I told you before, I'm doing some different video content right now because I don't know what I want to do exactly. But yeah, we're going to Miami in 2 weeks. We're going to Varberg next weekend, to the coast, so I will do some content over there too. So stay tuned, and thank you for watching, and subscribe the channel.